April 30th, 11 a.m. We got one coming in. I wonder if it's the same guy. Probably is. Yeah, this is the guy that's been just doing whippets. Yep, there he goes again. This is crazy. Look at this. And then he's just turning the Yui again. Man, if that's not targeting, I don't know what is. What's the chemicals coming out the back, yo? Man, these chems are so thick. See? There's my pine tree. So he literally came across. You guys saw it. It came from right here. And boom. And then he flipped it. It's like every 5 to 7 minutes. All right, peace out.